All right, let's move on to the Harbor Freight's Icon extension set, and this happens to be the Wobble Wobble. You know, I always say Wobble Wobble, homie. Yeah, it's got all the different sizes: 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drives. It's got an adapter on there, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. You know, I already took it out of the box. You guys can just look online. This is how the box looks. So, you know, let's go ahead and take it out. Take a look at this. Look at the 1/2 inch one. Let's look at that. It's got the knurling right here. So, you know, when you're working on it and you got your ratchet here, you know, you can just, you know, just start off the nut. Or then once you loosen it, then you can spin this as well. Go ahead and grab one of those ratchets. I'll grab the gear wrench. Let's do this one here. It's got some nice forging to it, you know, nice chrome finish, man. It's got that wobble on there. Of course, lifetime warranty. Hell yeah. And you notice on this gear wrench ratchet, I didn't mention it before during the toolbox build out series, but you hear this clicking sound. You know how it goes click, 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 click. That's a 2-pulse system. That's why they sound just a little bit different. That's how they're able to get this 120 teeth. So anyway, back to the wobble extensions. I'm gonna put that on there. So that's pretty cool. Let me grab one of these. Let's go ahead and grab a 24-inch one right here, man. Get a little bit of an angle on there. Let's go put this one back. And we'll do a G2, homie, with the flex head. So if you want to do a flex in, put another universal joint or whatever, or one of those Casabons that I showed you guys earlier. Yep, you can do this. Lock it in place. Let's get the knurling on this one. They got all got the knurling on here, and they all is lifetime warranty. It's part of that set. Right now, you'll get it at Harbor Freight. So there you go with the small 1/4 inch one. It's just a shorter 3/8. Give you a, oh, that's interesting. Give you a 3/8 to a 3/8. Oh, it goes from a non-wobble to a wobble. So there you go. You know, just and then they just give you this blow molded case. It has some kind of backing on here. You can just put it right inside your toolbox. You know, you don't have to put it on any type of special tray or anything like that. This actually works pretty well. And it's got that black and red thing, man. You know what I mean?